Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might come up if you're dealing with property ownership. How do you remove someone from a property deed? This is especially relevant in 2025, with evolving real estate laws. Whether it's due to a divorce, a family dispute, or simply gifting your share, understanding this process can save you time, money, and headaches. First off, let's quickly cover what a property deed is. It's a legal document that proves who owns a property. Removing someone's name from it means you're changing that ownership record, and it's not something you can do on a whim. It's governed by state laws and often requires professional help. So, how do you actually go about it? Step 1. Consult a real estate attorney or a title company. They'll guide you through the specifics based on where you live, as rules vary by state. For instance, in 2025, some states might have updated digital filing processes to make things faster. Next, you'll need the consent of the person you're removing, unless there's a court order involved, like in a divorce case. Once you have that, prepare the necessary documents. This could include a quitclaim deed, where the person voluntarily gives up their interest, or a warranty deed if there are guarantees involved. After that, file the deed with your local county recorder's office. Don't forget to pay any recording fees and taxes that might apply. It could cost anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s depending on your location. Oh, and always double check for any liens or outstanding mortgages that could complicate things. One more thing. This process can get messy if there's disagreement, so it's crucial to handle it carefully to avoid legal battles. In 2025, with more online resources, you might find helpful tools, but never skip professional advice. Wrapping up, removing someone from a property deed is a big step that protects your assets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.